You love your baby brother.
I'm glad he walks.
He walks. It's crazy.
Can I see the video?
Hold on. Let's see if he'll do it again. Go over on the other side of the carpet and tell him to come here.
Come on.
My baby. Let's see.
Daddy, do it again.
He's gonna get tired. He's like, what am I to you people? Daddy tripped him. Go get your... Check mark.